How to get started with NIST CSF on SAMMY. Now, I'm now at the dashboard of an organization of which I've done a lot of SAM assessments in the past. That is kind of what we're used to in SAMMY, but we can also use other frameworks to do assessments. So first I go to my scopes. It's important to note that scopes and assessments are separate in SAMMY. So a scope is basically a business unit or a team. And then for this business unit or a team, you could do different types of assessments. So here I have my business unit 1. And for that overall business unit, I already have a SAM assessment that is ongoing. I haven't much filled out it yet, it seems. But I can create a new assessment. And here I can click on NIST CSF. I add this to this business unit. And now for this business unit, I have a SAM assessment and I have a NIST CSF assessment. If I press play, I'm now going into NIST CSF assessment mode. I can go to my assessment and then I go through the questions that relate to the NIST Cybersecurity Framework questions. So I can provide the answers. Let's say the organization mission is understood and informs cybersecurity risk management. I would say yes. I can provide some evidence here or some files, and then I press submit. And that's it. Now this has been completed. Let's go to the next question and so on. Go through all of these questions, and then again, here we will find in the reporting stage a report on our maturity score based on the responses we have given. In the same way as we do with SAM, we can also create roadmaps for improvement. We can export gap reports and all these other things. That is the essentials of how to get started with NIST Cybersecurity Framework on SAMMY.